Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start EXP22 Exact Chapter 2 at 2000 Mortgage Company. It's the last chapter of MATLAB Mastering Excel Chapter 2. First of all, here is project description. You are access to the Methron mortgage broken to the 1000 mortgage companies. You are spent reviewing the mortgage rates and the trends. Okay, you can see here. Here I am going to do the step. Here is my Excel workbook. You can see here I have already downloaded. My first step is start the Excel. Downloaded the Excel workbook and that's has automatically added in your. Okay, now you can see here I am going to start Excel. Downloaded the Excel workbook that's have automatically added into your first time and the last time in the created projects. Okay. Okay, the next step is my step number 2. I have already downloaded Excel workbook. Enter a formula. Okay, now I am going to enter a formula. Okay, you can see here I am going to enter a formula. Okay, I am going to enter a formula in cell D5, sorry D8, to find the value of amount finance. I am going to find the value for the amount financed. Okay, that is B8 minus C8. Okay, B8 minus C8. Now I am going to fill the formula by using the fill handle. Okay, enter. Here I am going to fill the formula by using the fill handle. I have done it. I have completed the step number 2. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 3. Enter a formula in cell F8 to calculate the monthly insert rate to the first loan. Add the appropriate absolute cell references to the B5 and then use the fill handle to the copy the formula down to the completing column F. Okay, you can see here I am going to do the next one. I am going to apply the formula in cell F8 to find the rate per period. Okay, you can see here is my E8. Okay, divided by B8. Okay, you can see here, sorry, I think it's B5. Okay, I have found the value for the rate per periods. Okay, and fill handle to copy the formula down, completing the column F. Now I am going to, sorry, there is absolute cell reference to the cell B5. Now I am going to apply the absolute cell references to the B5. Okay, okay, I have done this one and find the values for my remaining cell after applying the absolute cell references. Okay, you can see here I have done the step number 3 and find the value for the rate per period. Okay, now I am going to move for my next step. My next step and step number 4. Okay, you can see here enter a formula to cell H8, calculate the total number. Okay, enter a formula in cell H8 to calculate the total number of payment period per loan. Use the appropriate mixed references for the B5 and then choose to the fill handle to copy the formula to the down computing column H. Okay, you can see here I am going to enter a formula in cell H8 to calculate the total number of the payment period per loan. Choose the appropriate mixed reference for the cell B5 and then use fill handle to copy the formula down computing the column H. Okay, here I am going to find the payment of the period G8 multiply by here B5. Okay, you can see here I have found the value for the payment of the period and I have done, you can see here that's 300. Okay, and use the fill handle to copy the formula down. Okay, now I am going to fill the formula by using the fill handle and find the value for my remaining cell. I have done it. Okay, you can see here Okay, now I'm going to move for my next one. My next step is step number 5. You would like to calculate the total value of the homes. Use auto sum in cell B16 to calculate the total value of all homes sold. Okay, use the auto sum in cell B16 to calculate the total of value. Okay, you can see here. Now I'm going to move for my next step. My next step is here. I am going to do EXP22 Excel Chapter 2000 Mortgage Company. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can find me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assignment before many times with 100% grades of my many students. Okay, now I am going to find the values by applying the sum function. Okay, here is I am going to do the sum function. Okay, I have done. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 6. Use auto sum in cell B17 to calculate the average value of all home pages purchased. Okay, you can see here. Now I'm going to do the step number 6. Use auto sum in cell B17 to calculate the average value of all home being purchased. Okay, you can see here. I'm going to do the step number 6. C8 column C12. I have done. I have completed step number 6. Now I'm going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 7. Enter a function in cell B18 to calculate the median value of all home being financed. Okay, you can see here. I'm going to do the step number 7. I'm going to apply the sum function. Okay, here is my sum function. I'm going to do this one. And D8 to D12. Okay, you can see here. I'm going to do. I have found the values. Okay, that's 200. Okay, you can see here. My next step is step number 8. Enter a function in cell B19 to display the value of the least expensive home financed. Okay, now I'm going to do the step number 8. Enter a function in cell B19 to display the value of least expensive home financed. Okay, you can see here. I'm going to do the next step. Today I am going to do EXP22 Excel Chapter 2 Home Loan. If you need the solution of this assessment, you can find me through WhatsApp or email. I already gave my direct WhatsApp link in description. You can text me, okay? And now I am going to do this one. Averages, you can see here. BA2, B12. Okay, I have found the value for the averages. Now I am going to find the value for the down payment averages. That is here. I have done the step number 8. Now I am going to move for my next step. Enter a function in cell B20 to display the most expensive home financed. Okay, now I am going to do the step number 9. Enter a function in cell B20 to display the most expensive home financed. Okay, now I am going to do the next one. Averages. C8 column C12. Okay, you can see here. I find the value for the down payment finance. It's here. It's averages. Of then the last one is the averages. Okay. Okay, I have done. I find the value for the amount financed for the averages. Okay. I have completed the step number 9. Now I am going to move for my next step. My next step is step number 10. Enter a function in cell. Okay, now I am going to do the step number 10. You can see here. Okay, you can see here. Now I am going to do the median. Okay, here is the median. You can see here I'm going to do the step number 10. Enter a functions to cell B21 to count the total number of home page financed based on the value column B. Enter the function in cell B21 to count the total number of the home being financed based on the okay, I have done and failed the series by according to instruction. Okay, you can see here I have done. Next one is min. Okay, you can see here, and I'm going to find the value for the min, that's the lowest. Okay, now I'm going to fill the series by using the fill handle. I find the value, and the next one is highest, that is max. Okay, you can see here I have done. I have completed EXP22 Excel Chapter 2 HOE 1000 Mortgage Company. It's a greater major project of my MATLAB class. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can find me through WhatsApp or email. I already gave my email address in the description. If you need help in any MATLAB class, MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB economics, MATLAB finance, you can text me. I am always available with you to deliver quality grades. You can trust me for the quality grades. All the assignment will submitted before deadline. I am dealing with many students by using their login by the delivering the quality grades. Okay, if you need the solution of any assignment, I am always available here with you. Okay, it's a EXP22 Excel Chapter 2 HOE 1000 Mortgage Company that solved 100% solution. If you need this solution, you can text me. I'm with you. I'm always available here with you. Okay, if you need the solution of this assignment, you can just text me. Here is the final version of this Excel workbook. I have completed this one with 100% grades. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can text me. Okay, thank you.